Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB All is Any Developer. Like you all know that in the previous videos we have covered up many of the projects using Python and artificial intelligence plus DSA also we have covered up many of the projects. So now I think that we should just move on to other languages. Like we have covered up many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence and on data structure algorithm with Python. But now I think that we should start projects with other language as well. So today I have just built the project of React.js, and today I will be telling you that how you can use React.js and Next.js to build an amazing web page here. So we are building an amazing web page. This will be not a normal web page because we are not building it using HTML, CSS like languages. We are using React.js and Next.js to build this amazing web page, and it will be a car web page which we are building. So I hope you will be understanding this amazing web page which we are building. It will be not really like big web page which you can just say. So it will be a normal landing page like web page. So it will be really understandable for you, and I just not make big projects like I can build websites also using React.js, Next.js, but I think that it is the start which we are taking on React and Next.js. So we should start from small projects here. So because of that, I'm just building this amazing web page. It will be not so much big web page, but it will be really helpful for you if you understand this web page from start, like how to use React.js and Next.js to build these web pages and landing pages. So it will be really helpful for you. You can create your own website also using these languages, and you can just host these website on any of like you can say like hosting or GoDaddy. You can just host these website on these all platforms, and you can use your website as your blog website as well to earn money from that. So I hope you'll be understanding this video which we are building here, the web page using React.js and Next.js, and it is our first video on this channel of React.js, and I hope you'll be understanding this project here. So if you want me to just make more videos using React.js and many different languages, you can suggest me in the comments like what videos I should build. So then using these all languages, I'll be building that videos as well. So now we'll be starting with our video today and seeing that how we are building this amazing car web page using these all amazing languages from start. So just like I've telling you that in the start we are building a today really big project here, means it is not really big project, but it will be really helpful project because we are building this project using Next.js and Tailwind CSS here, and we are building an amazing car web page. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how to build this amazing car web page here using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. So for building this, I will be opening my folder from desktop, and our folder is on desktop. If I show you here, so here if I just move on, and you can see here we will be getting our folder of like you can say car web page. So now I will be moving here, and then I will be directly moving to this file, and I will be moving here. Then you have to now search here the car web page which we are getting. So I will be now moving. You can see this is the car web page which we are getting here. I will be selecting this folder, and after selecting this folder, we are getting all the files which we will be needing in this project. Then you have to directly move here in this, and then you have to remove this all stuff. After removing this, you have to now just save this file, and then you have to move to this file as well. And from here I will be moving and then removing all that stuff which we are getting here. Save this and press Ctrl B to close side panel, and then I will be zooming in. Then I will be changing my title here to like car web page. So I will be writing here like this, car web page here. Then you have to save this here, and you have to now directly move down. Open this file in your default Google Chrome browser. So you can see here was our file. If I show you, so I will be moving to this file, and then if I move here, and then you can see this, we are getting all the things in this file. If I show you, you can see, and I will be pressing right click and opening this file. You can see now it is totally empty. So we will be now starting our course to build this amazing car web page here. So for building this, now we have to move to the body, and here we have to create a header, because in header we will be writing all the codes. Then you have to create a nav class of container. So you can see we have now created this. After writing, you have to create a div class logo, because here we will be now creating a logo as well. Then you have to write here I tag, because we will be using the logo of car here. So I will be writing FA car, and write here automotive or any other thing you can write here as well. Then you have to just move down and create a UL tag, then LI tag, then F1 menus we will be creating here. So I will be writing here class selected, and here I will be writing home. So when you create this, you have to directly move down Li and A tag. Then in this I will be writing features, and here you have to now move down and write here Li tag, A tag, and here I will be writing price. Then you have to directly move down, write here Li tag, A tag, and write here contact. And then I will be now moving down Li tag, A tag, and here you have to just move here after this and write here class, and here you have to now just write here highlight. Then you have to now write here book appointment. So here I will be now writing this, and you have to now just move down here and write here div, class, and I will be now just writing here content like this, and here you have to write div class container. Then you have to write h2. So here I will be now writing your car repairs. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write p tag and write here visit us for your services. So here I will be writing this tag. And then you have to now just save it here and reload. You can see we are getting all these things here. Then you have to now directly move down right here a tag class and right here highlight like this. Then in the center, I will be moving and writing here book appointment. So here I will be writing this. Save it. And after saving this, you have to now directly do one thing like here I will be now moving in this tag. And after moving, just you have to move after this header tag. Right here footer ul. Then I will be creating a class of container here li tag. And then I will be now creating a strong tag in this tag. And right here location. And here you have to move after this tag and then move down. Write here p tag and write unknown. Then you have to now write li tag and write here a strong tag in which I will be writing phone. And now here down you can create a phone number, so you can write 090. Any random number you can just write here like this. Now you have to move down, write here a strong tag, and in this I will be writing email. And you have to directly move down again p tag, and here I will be writing automotive. So here I will be now writing automotive car, and I will be writing @gmail.com like this. So this is the you can say the email address which I've created. Now save this and reload. You can see we are getting all this stuff. So now we have to style this as well. So for styling we have to now use the Tailwind CSS here. So I will be moving in this file, and here I will be now just writing here box sizing, which should be border box like this, and right here body, which should be having a background color of white. Then you have to write here font family, which should be like Roboto. So here I will be now writing sans serif like this, and here you have to now just write here margin 0. Then you have to now write here container and write here padding 1 rem like this, and write here margin, and in margin I will be writing 0 auto. Then you have to write here max width 100% and write here width should be 1000 pixel. Then you have to write here header, which should be background image, and then in the background image I will be writing URL. Write here carbg.jpg and write here background size cover, and write here background position in center. So here I will be now writing, and after writing this you have to now directly write here the text color should be white like this, and then you have to write here display flex. So here I will be now writing, then write here flex direction column, and then write here align items. So here I will be writing flex start. Then you have to now directly move down, right here min height should be calc, and I will be writing here 100 ph dash 102 pixel. Then you have to write here content, which should be font size, and I will be writing here 2 rem, and write here margin, which should be auto. So here I will be writing, then write here max width should be like 100%, and write here content. So here I will be writing h1, write here color 00c2ff. Then here you have to write margin bottom. So here I will be writing 0. Then you have to directly move down, right here nav display flex, and here I will be writing justify content. Then here I will be writing space between. Then I will be now directly moving down and write here nav.logo, because we will be styling our logo as well. Font size 2.5 rem, and write here nav ul, which should be having the display of flex like this, and write here list style type. So here I will be now writing list style type null, and write here padding 0. Save it here and then reload. So you can see now this has been, you can see now our page is styling here. So I will be now writing here nav li tag and write here display flex like this, and then you have to write here list style type. So here I will be now writing null, and you have to now write here padding 0. Then you have to now write here nav li tag and write here text color white like this, and write here padding 1 rem. Then you have to write here text decoration null. Then you have to write here selected and write here font weight should be bold. Then you have to write here highlight and write a tag which should be like background color. So I will be now writing here background color 00c2ff. Then here I will be writing color white and write here padding 1 rem. Then when you return this, you have to write text decoration null. Then you have to write here footer, which should be background color. Here I will be now writing and I will be writing here 0 like this, and right color should be white, and right here padding 1 rem, and here you have to now write footer ul. So here I will be now writing footer ul, and right here display flex, and then you have to write here align items. So here I will be now writing center. Then you have to write here justify content, and here I will be now writing space between. Then you have to write here list style type, which should be like none. Then I will be now writing here padding 0. Then you have to write here footer, and then write strong tag, write color here, which should be like 00C2FF like this. And after writing this tag, you have to now write here footer p tag like this, and write here padding 0. Now when you written this, you have to directly save and reload. So you can see now we are getting all the stuff. Now we have to make it responsive because we are using here the Tailwind work. So I will be now writing here media screen, and then I will be now writing here max width like this. Here I will be now writing 700. So here I will be writing 700 pixel. Write here content, and then you have to write here font size 1.4 rem, and write here margin 2 rem auto, and I will be writing 0. Then you have to write here nav ul, and right here flex direction should be column, and then I will be now writing here nav li, and right here not last child. So here I will be now writing last child like this, and I will be writing here margin bottom, which should be like 1 rem. Then I will be now just moving down, and here I will be writing nav dot highlight, and here I will be just now directly move down and right here display none. Then I will be now just moving down right here footer ul, and right here flex direction, which should be like column like this, and right here justify content should be like center. Then you have to now write here footer li tag, and right here margin 1 rem. Then after writing this, you have to directly write here text align. So here I will be now writing text align should be center. So here I will be writing save it here, and after saving this, you have to now directly reload it. So after reloading, you can see now we are getting all the stuff here, and you can see this totally styled, and we are getting automotive logo at the top. At the right, we are getting all the things like we want, like book appointment button, and these all navbar menus like we have created in this project. So I hope you understand how to create an amazing web page here. So this was our simple web page which we have created. So this is the car web page which we have created using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. So I hope you understand this different video with different language, because we have built project DSA in Python, and we have also built project using Python in artificial intelligence. But now I think that we should create some different thing as well. So it will be really good for you, and you can learn different languages also. So if you have enjoyed and understand this video, remember to hit a like and subscribe on this channel if you want to see more videos like that. So just I'll be meeting you in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.